Bosch is a renowned name frequently mentioned among professional tradespersons and craftsmen. They offer an impressive range of professional tools, including table saws, cordless drills, drywall scanners, and an extensive selection of other tools essential for various tasks and projects. So here's a list of some Bosch tools you probably have never seen before. Starting off with the Bosch Gluey. If you want to elevate your creativity level in DIY projects, this innovative and highly versatile cordless hot glue pen is for you. It simply brings creative projects to life with unique features. Crafters and DIY enthusiasts can discover endless possibilities for personalized projects with Gluey's cordless gluing capabilities, enabling excellent results on various arts and crafts endeavors. Its compact and convenient design adds a touch of fun to gluing tasks, while the ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable and enjoyable grip during work. With a quick heat-up time of just 1 minute, thanks to the innovative fast-heating PTC element, Gluey allows for swift project starts. Moreover, the rubberized soft grip zone provides a superior grip, enhancing comfort and control, making it particularly beneficial for applications that require extended tool operation. The Gluey hot glue pen is powered by rechargeable AA batteries, which outshines Bosch's commitment to eco-friendly solutions.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. Simply provide us with your script or voiceover and footages if you prefer to be on camera, and we will do all the necessary storyboarding, illustration, and animation to create a beautiful animated online course. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
The Bosch EasyInflate 18-volt 500, having this compact and cordless air pump is like having your very own inflatable wizard on speed dial. With its maximum airflow of 530 liters per minute, it can blow up air mattresses, inflatable boats, and paddling pools in no time. But wait, there's more. The EasyInflate comes with a built-in party trick, the on-off switch that handles automatic inflation and deflation like a pro. And hold on to your hats, folks, because the air pump is light, compact, and ready for any adventure. Whether you're indoors, outdoors, or on top of a mountain, this little champ will be there, ensuring you have the time of your life with your fully inflated pool toys, gym balls, and guest beds. Oh, and did we mention its compatibility with Bosch 18-volt Power for All batteries? The charge level indicator will keep you informed, so you won't get caught off guard during your inflation needs. Say goodbye to the awkward ladder dance and embrace the power of a telescopic pole that extends up to 2.6 meters. This is Bosch Universal Hedgepole 18. This tool helps you to effortlessly reach all those towering hedges without breaking a sweat. But wait, there's more fun to be had. With its lightweight and balanced design, you'll feel like you're wielding a hedge-trimming lightsaber, ready to conquer unruly branches and transform them into perfectly groomed masterworks. And guess what? The Bosch patented anti-blocking system is here to save the day from stubborn branches, ensuring unstoppable cutting performance. It's like having a hedge-trimming superhero in your backyard, fighting off any challenges that come its way. Plus, it boasts a high-speed 18-volt motor that combines with laser-cut diamond ground blades. So you will get precision cuts every time, every way. Introducing the Bosch Atino, the ultimate DIY companion for hassle-free home decor projects. With its all-in-one design, the Atino combines a line laser and integrated measuring tape, allowing you to hang up your favorite pieces without any help effortlessly. Whether it's pictures, shelves, mirrors, handles, hooks, or even a TV, this nifty gadget ensures precise alignment in all directions: 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees, with its vertical and horizontal leveling. No need to worry about finding the perfect spot on the wall. The Atino's gel pad or pins make it fast and flexible to attach the line laser on various surfaces, including wallpaper and rough walls. So bid farewell to crooked frames and hello to perfectly aligned decor with the Bosch Atino, your trusty sidekick for all your DIY home projects. The Bosch SDS Max Bushing tool is a powerful and reliable tool designed for concrete and masonry drilling with utmost efficiency and durability. Bosch takes pride in offering a comprehensive assortment of SDS Max hammer steel points and chisels, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. With constant innovation, Bosch continues to deliver high-performance chisels that stand the test of time. To further enhance their durability, all Bosch chisels are manufactured using a proprietary heat treat process. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty demolition work or precision chiseling, the Bosch SDS Max Bushing tool is your go-to companion, providing the strength and efficiency you need for demanding concrete and masonry projects. Professionals never want to compromise on measuring accuracy. Keeping that in mind, Bosch made this GLM 165-40. This fully featured 165-foot measurer delivers mind-blowing real-time distance, area, volume, and indirect measurements. And that's not all. With its 10 measurement storage, it's like having a photographic memory of all your dimensions. But wait, there's more magic. This measuring tool has a special trick up its sleeve, a backlight display for working in the dark. And the best part? It's accurate to within plus or minus 1/16 inches and reaches up to 165 feet, making tape measures green with envy. So, say goodbye to asking for help with the GLM 165-40. You'll be the master of measurements, going where tape measures can't. It's so easy to use. Just wave your measurement wand and let the precision magic begin with the Bosch Blaze Distance Laser Measurer. The Bosch IZO3 is the ultimate gardening companion that is here to revolutionize your gardening experience. This compact, multifunctional power tool is designed to tackle a variety of tasks, from trimming lawn edges to shaping shrubs and maintaining smaller hedges. With its 2 interchangeable blades and the option to attach a telescopic handle for extended reach, the IZO3 is as versatile as it gets. The multi-click system ensures that changing accessories is a breeze, making your gardening tasks a walk in the park. Powered by a 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery, this little garden warrior can provide up to an impressive 50 minutes of runtime without stalling, thanks to the built-in Bosch anti-blocking system. Weighing just 550 grams, the IZO3 is ergonomically designed for comfortable handling, allowing you to garden with ease. Its compact design also means it can be effortlessly stored between uses. Get ready to experience comfortable mowing, precise cutting, and hassle-free storage with the Bosch EasyRoadTech 36. It's the ultimate lawnmower that promises to make your lawn care routine a walk in the park. This lawnmower is designed for more demanding lawns in medium-sized gardens. It features ErgoFlex handles for comfortable mowing, while the grass combs ensure clean results along edges, driveways, fences, and walls. With foldable handles and a stackable grass box, the EasyRoadTech 36 offers easy and compact storage. Powered by a 36-volt battery, it provides maximum performance and unrestricted cordless mobility, making it suitable for lawns up to 550 square meters. Get ready for faster and better results along edges and enjoy the convenience of easy transport and storage with the Bosch EasyRoadTech 36 lawnmower. Next up, we have the Bosch Universal Vac 18, your all-new cordless vacuum cleaner boasts high suction power to tackle any cleaning task with ease. Mobile and powerful, it effortlessly eliminates heavier materials, making it a reliable partner for thorough cleaning. With its extension tubes and floor nozzle, vacuuming floors becomes a breeze, while the crevice nozzle effortlessly reaches narrow areas. The brush nozzle adds to its versatility, ensuring effective cleaning on various surfaces, including textiles. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it offers cordless freedom with exceptional suction performance. What's more, the Power for All features allows the battery to be used across the entire home and garden tool system, maximizing convenience and efficiency. From floors to hard-to-reach areas and even the workshop, the Bosch Universal Vac 18 proves its capability, making cleaning tasks of all types a seamless and efficient experience. Let's end up the list with a perfect solution for drawing water from alternative water sources. This is the Bosch Self-Priming Kit. Rated up to 160 bar, this kit ensures powerful performance and is compatible with the entire Bosch AQT and new Bosch AquaTac ranges. No longer limited to using only tap water, this kit enables you to draw clean water from various sources, making it ideal for tasks that require a non-standard water supply. Reinforced for added durability, it's designed to withstand rigorous use, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable accessory for your Bosch pressure washer. With the Bosch Self-Priming Kit, you can now enjoy the convenience of using water from alternative sources for your pressure washing needs, making outdoor cleaning tasks even more versatile and efficient. Okay, that was our video of Bosch tools you've probably never seen before, Part 3. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.